Did you miss me? Because if you did, welcome back to daily vlog 119. Yeah, it is 5 a.m. 50. I am currently walking to the beach to watch the sunrise again. This time we're gonna try and get onto Mountain Island. I'm cold because it is actually cold at night. I'm regretting not bringing a jacket, and yeah, let's pray that the way is open to go on the island and I'm fast enough. And yeah, I see you guys there. We're gonna eat in between and then that's all. See you up there. Hello guys, it is 3:30 p.m. and I wanted to go to the beach, but there's like no fucking shade, so I just kept on walking and we found this like little park thing, and I was craving cake today, you know, because I don't fucking know why. I guess because I didn't really eat that big of lunch, whatever you call it. So I bought a whole chocolate mud cake from the grocery store that is right next to my hostel. This is 600 grams. I don't think I will finish the whole thing. Maybe half. I don't know. It depends. Is it healthy to eat this thing? No. Is it a good idea to eat this thing? No. Is the weather calling for a chocolate cake? Absolutely not. But I'm just craving it, and either I just sit there and keep on craving it, or I just accept that I'm a slut for chocolate cake right now, and I'll take that gladly, you know. I don't deny it anymore. So we're gonna fucking eat this thing now, here in the middle of nowhere. I brought cutlery. I think we're gonna just eat it with a spoon. If this tastes like shit, this cost me $6.40. So I'd say that's money well spent. Shit. I mean, yeah, it tastes kind of cheap, but I'm fine with it. I think it's fine. Oh shit. I'm gonna finish this. So I'm gonna eat this now. I only wanted to get out because I started reading a book and didn't want to read it in the room. And outside people are smoking, so in the hostel thing, so I thought I'm gonna just go to the beach and read it. So I'm gonna do that now. Read my fucking book while eating this thing. And I see you guys if I did some good damage to this thing. Alright,